Hello friends, today we are going to make world famous seventh wonder of the world. It is very attractive. This is the first part of the complete video tutorial on how to make Taj Mahal model. We need 2 mm quilling strip of white, pink, yellow, blue and purple color, 3 mm quilling strip of white color, A4 sheet of different color craft paper, notebook cover or cardboard, slotted quilling tool, mold quilling tool, quilling comb, quilling roller, glue and scissor. If you are watching this video on Facebook, then hit like button of our page, or if you are watching on YouTube, then subscribe to our channel Haath Ki Kala and press bell icon. Take 13 into 2 cm cardboard or notebook cover and a same size craft paper. Fold the chart paper from middle one and cut the edge. After that, paste it on one edge of cardboard. In this way, we have to prepare total 4-piece connector. Take 13 into 13 cm cardboard. Apply glue on the connector and paste it on edge of the cardboard. Now apply glue on the top part and paste a cardboard. Cut the extra part using zigzag craft scissor. Apply glue on the 4 side and cover it using craft paper. Do same for top one. In this way, we have prepared base for our Taj Mahal. Take 7 into 4 cm size of notebook cover and draw 4 small shaped window and cut it out. Apply glue on one side and paste a craft paper. We have to prepare total 4 pieces of same size. Take one from that and paste a different color craft paper from back side of window. Do same for all one. Take 4 into 5 cm size of notebook cover. Draw the shape of door and cut it out. Like as previous one, paste craft paper. Prepare total 4 pieces of same size. Take 1.5 into 4 cm size of notebook cover and draw shape of window on it. As we do previously, paste craft paper on it. Prepare total 4 pieces of same size. Like previous, we fold craft paper and paste it on edge for our base. We do same here also. In the way, we made connectors. Take window part and paste door above it. Do same for all 4. Take 9 into 9 cm size of notebook cover and cut the corner of size 1 into 1 cm. Prepare total 2 pieces of same size. Take wall connector, apply glue and paste it as shown in the video. Now take all edge connector and paste it on edges as I have done. Take a small shape paper, cut its corner and paste it to connect all 4 walls together along with the corner connector. Take the edge sliced 9 into 9 cm notebook cover which we prepared earlier and paste a chart paper. Now take this and paste it as a roof. Take recently prepared structure and paste above the base, which we prepared earlier in this video. Watch the second part, which will out tomorrow.